This is BMW Ignite, where every machine tells a story beyond motion. Where machines aren't just seen, they're felt in motion. And today, something quietly powerful arrives. Meet the BMW i5 M60 xDrive, a fully electric luxury sedan, finished in a bold red presence, designed with precision, and built for a new era, where silence carries intention, and every line speaks without trying. This is where design meets identity. From the very first angle, it holds attention. That front stance feels wide and confidently planted. As the side begins to move, you notice how long and stretched it feels. There's a sense of balance. Nothing feels forced. Now, in a clean white space, it stands alone, low to the ground, almost hugging the surface. Everything feels intentional, nothing extra. That grille doesn't just sit there. As the focus shifts forward, it defines identity. There's a sharpness in the way it looks back. Then suddenly, the energy changes. A subtle movement, but the presence intensifies. It feels controlled, almost effortlessly composed. And now, perfectly aligned in front, everything comes together into one clear statement. Wide, low, and undeniably precise, continuing that same presence. The body stretches out with quiet confidence. As the front comes into full view, that stance feels wide, grounded. Completely in control. Now the focus tightens on the lights, a sharp signature that reacts instantly. Look closer. The detailing inside feels precise, like every element was placed with intent. As the light flows across its shape, everything connects, smooth, uninterrupted. And right there, that M badge sits subtle, but carries a performance identity you can feel. Carbon texture catches light, quietly premium. Every surface feels crafted, not just assembled. Air slips past, shaped with purpose. Nothing here is accidental. It's all refined intent. Reflections stretch across the body, smooth and uninterrupted. That length feels deliberate, almost perfectly balanced. As it moves, the silhouette reveals its discipline. Long wheelbase energy, holding everything composed. From the rear angle, it still feels planted. That low stance keeps it grounded, controlled. Now isolated, nothing left to hide. Just a clean form, precise and unmistakably modern. From the rear angle, it feels sculpted and controlled. That surface flows clean with no unnecessary aggression. As the side begins to move, the body stretches smoothly. A long form supported by an extended wheelbase underneath. The front edge comes into focus with sharp intent. Those adaptive lights respond instantly with precise clarity. Down at the wheels, the detailing feels performance-driven. That grip feels evenly distributed through all four corners. Near the rear window, the signature curve stands distinct, a subtle identity that instantly feels recognizable. And as it fades out, the form stays minimal and refined. Sitting low, grounded by weight placed deep below. Nothing extra, just a clean modern presence. From that rear angle, the form feels controlled and planted. The width settles in with a confident, grounded stance. As the camera moves closer, the depth begins to build. That lower section channels air with purposeful intent. The rear surface flows smoothly across every contour. Air slips through clean lines without unnecessary resistance. Down underneath, the structure feels engineered and tight. A low set weight keeps everything stable and composed. Along the side edges, the cuts appear sharp and precise. That movement stays balanced through all four corners. And as the badge comes into focus, it feels intentional. A quiet signal of performance without needing attention. The silence breaks with electric force, carving through mountain curves. BMW Ignite awakens pure motion in its boldest form. Instant torque surge. The road narrows, but the stance only grows wider. It charges forward with controlled aggression in every frame. Aggressive front stance. Sunlight slides across its body like liquid speed. Every line flows with aerodynamic confidence. Aerodynamic flow body. The corners tighten, but the control stays unshaken. It stays planted like the road belongs to it. Planted corner grip. The world opens up, and so does the drive. Freedom stretches across every kilometer ahead. Grand touring freedom. Then it fades, not slowly but with authority, leaving behind only the echo of acceleration. High-speed exit fade. Aggressive front cuts through silence. Presence feels electric. Rear flow disappears into motion. Stability holds every line. Wheels spin precision energy. Grip stays brutally controlled. M badge locks attention. Performance identity speaks silent power. Mountain curves test balance. Car stays planted, effortless. Sun fades behind motion. Machine exits like silence. This isn't just performance. It's controlled electric authority. Would you drive this future?